Do you know what equipment is essential for all security guards to use in the UK? Hi, I'm Holly from Region Security Guarding's YouTube channel, where we make videos about security and security guards. To stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we'll be discussing what are 7 pieces of equipment that are essential for all security guards in the UK to have. An SIA license. The first piece of equipment on our list, of course, is an SIA security guard license. A frontline SIA license allows security guards to perform and work in security-related activities, so it is essential for all guards to have this license and to display it. For more information about how you can apply or renew your SIA license, check out our other video where we talk about all the steps you need to take. The video will be linked in the description box below. Heavy duty boots. The second piece of equipment on our list is heavy duty boots. These boots are often recommended to security guards as they spend a lot of time on their feet, so it is important for a guard to wear footwear that is reliable, supports them, and is comfortable to wear. Security guards who work in construction security may have to wear steel toe boots as they give them an extra layer of protection. Torch. The next piece of equipment on our list is a torch. Security officers will use torches throughout both the night and the day, and they will use them for a variety of different reasons. For example, they may use a torch in darker areas of a building. They may use a torch to help them find missing people. Torches that security guards use may come in a variety of different sizes, and some may be heavy duty torches. A security duty belt. A security duty belt is a belt that is designed not to fall down and it can hold a variety of different equipment, such as a torch or a radio. It is important for a security guard to have a security duty belt as it allows them to be more prepared for any incident that could happen. A first aid kit. A first aid kit is important for any security guard to have as it allows them to be prepared for any security situation, and they can use it if there is an injured person. A small first aid kit will contain bandages, plasters and antiseptic wipes. All security guards in the UK will now have to take first aid training, so it is useful for them to have a first aid kit. Security vest. A security vest goes over the top of a security guard's uniform, and it can be especially useful if a guard is working in an area of danger. A security vest will be stab proof and may be made out of a material called claver. Not every security guard will have a security vest, but it can be useful to have as it will add an extra layer of protection, and a vest can also help the public identify you as a security guard. Two-way radio. Our 7th and last piece of equipment on our list is a two-way radio. Two-way radio is a radio that allows 2 people to talk to each other via radio waves. Two-way radios are a great way for security guards to stay in communication with each other, and they are extremely common for security guards who work in events or retail stores to have. So that's the end of our list. We hope this video has been helpful. If you can think of any more pieces of equipment which are important for a security guard to have, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more videos about security guards. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.